Hello everyone. I am Li Xinrong, the General Manager of Guangxi Yubin Electronic Technology Company. Our factory has been established for over 10 years, specializing in the manufacturing of computer and mobile peripheral data cables. Our company mainly produces high-definition cables for computers, including 4K and 8K HDMI cables, VGA cables, DP cables, power cables, network cables, DB cables, parallel cables, DVI cables, HDMI fiber optic cables, HDMI splitters, converters, USB hubs, mobile charging cables, USB cables, printer cables, and audio cables. We have factories located in Yubin, Guangxi, and Hunan. Currently, our company has more than 6,000 square meters of workshop space and a workforce of approximately 300 to 400 employees. We operate over 10 production lines, covering the entire process, from material sourcing, production, packaging, to shipping. Our workshop is equipped with 8 compressors, 8 diagonal machines, 80 injection molding machines, 18 automatic soldering machines, 22 testing machines, laser wire stripping machines, card sorting machines, high-frequency testing machines, etc. In total, we have more than 200 machines. Our daily output exceeds 50,000 units, with an annual production capacity of up to 12 million units. We have a warehouse space of over 5,000 square meters, and we offer 24-hour shipping for in-stock products. For OEM orders, the lead time is 7 to 15 days, and for ODM orders, it is 15 to 20 days. Our company holds multiple international certifications, including California 65, phthalates, RoHS, and more. We also own over 10 independent brands and have numerous product patents and design patents. Our focus is on cross-border e-commerce for computer-related products, as well as domestic e-commerce OEM/ODM customization. We provide a complete range of services, including product positioning, appearance design, video modeling, packaging design, and brand certification, ensuring a comprehensive solution for our clients.